من القرية. جالسا على حجر أمام باب دارنا المبنية من الطين، ماسكا في يدي عودا يابسا إلى طرف منه تسري أفكار كثيرة متزاحمة، وفي طرفه الآخر تعبث يدي بخطوط وحروف غريبة، فأرسم على الأرض حروفا وأشكالا ربما تعني ما لا أعني، فأنا غارق في أفكاري الحزينة. أضغط بالعود اليابس على الأرض المتشققة الجدباء في غل وغضب وثورة عنيفة في داخلي تستقر مرارتها في حلقي، فأبصق على الأرض لاعنا هذا الفقر وهذا الجدب الذي حل بنا بلا رحمة، وأتنهد متذكرا أبي وما فعله معنا، فأبصق مرة أخرى إني أكرهه كرها لا حد له، وأكيد أنه يكرهني ويكره أمي وأختي الصغيرتين أيضا، وإلا فلماذا تركنا بعد أن تزوج من امرأة أخرى ولم نسمع منه شيئا.
From the village. Sitting on a rock in front of our mud brick house, I hold a dry stick in my hand. My many competing thoughts flow into one end of it, while its other end sketches strange lines and letters in the earth. If there is any meaning in these forms, it is unintended, for I am lost in my sad thoughts. I press the stick down into the cracked, barren earth in anger and disgust. The violence and bitterness inside of me rises to my throat. I spit on the ground, cursing the merciless poverty and the desolation. Then I sigh, remembering my father and what he did to us, and spit once more. I hate that man, and I'm sure he hates me and my mother and my 2 younger sisters as well. Why else would he marry another woman and abandon us like that? We never heard anything from him again, though we were once told he was selling soda at a souk in Khartoum, and once that he was working on the railroad at Wadi Halfa, and another time that he had gone to Egypt and was working as a waiter in a coffee house. Curse this life. Why did he abandon us? If he was incapable of supporting a family, why did he get married in the first place? I increase the pressure on the dried out stick, breaking it repeatedly until my fingertips are touching the clefts in the ground. I look at those cracks that crisscross the earth like a cobweb, and using my feet try to cover them up again with dirt. But what can 2 small feet do for an entire village? The desert keeps growing, and sorrow, not rain, is all that comes to us. Drought and disease, agony and death. We are the dying, the living dead. A dusty wind blows in, so I close my eyes for a few moments, then open them to see my black feet covered in dead dust, dust that wants to swallow me alive, just as it swallowed hundreds of people from our village and many from the neighbouring villages too.